Now from the back door goes Sandesh, gets a dummy, gives it out. Here goes Senal Silva, gives it back to Sandesh. Now chance. Here's the first try.
Oh my word!
Havelock Sports Club returns to the park for their first home game this season as they take on Police, who are desperate to get off the mark in the Mastercard Interclub Rugby League 2024-2025 season. Yes, indeed, as we see the Police Sports Club team card, Amjad Fahmy, Deshan Fernando and Hafiz Thapit in the front rows, skipper Mohan Vimalaratne with returning Uday Sanjula in the lock-in combination as Surya Dodangoda moves one out on the flank. A look at the Havelock Sports Club team card. Shehan Silva, Azmir Fajuddin and Faiz Abdullah in the front rows. Janidu Fernando, Udara Lakshan in the lock-in combination with Shem Mendis, Senal Dilaka and Chatur Dilshan. Thankfully, by the looks of it, we are about to kick off this game. Gihan Yatavara is the man in charge with Nalin Lasantha and Nipuna Amaratunga on the touch lines to assist him. The Mastercard Interclub Rugby League Week 3, the third game which will be kicking off alongside the game at CRNFC as well. And now Sandesh Jayavikrama puts in a deep kickoff, well collected but equally well met by Dinupa Seneviratne. Sandesh deputizing at number 9. Here goes Silva. Has had plenty of touches in this first 15 minutes or so. Now from the back door goes Sandesh. Gets a dummy. Gives it out. Here goes Senal Silva. Gives it back to Sandesh. Now chance. Here's the first try.
Oh my word! What a defense! What a defense! Number 11. He says, "You can't see me." Oh dear, oh dear. It could be the difference at the end of the 80th minute. We'll wait and see.
Shorten line out. To the tail they go, Havelock Sports Club. Shem wins it. Gives it out to Sandesh as he drops it short. And on that occasion it was Pereira taking the ball in and crashing it up. Rifan to the line they go. Havelock Sports Club, a massive tackle from the player who made the try-saving tackle. But this time around, bit illegal by the looks of things. That's Sudesh Jayavikrama on the receiving end.
එතකොට මේක අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දෙක නෝ එන්ඩ් එක ඇවිල්ලා රෙඩ් කාඩ් එකකින් තමයි එන්ඩ් එක මට කිසිම දෙයක් කරන්න බෑ මේ වෙලාවේ මෙතන කිසි දෙයක් කරන්න බෑ මට.
Well, Sabir Kader, you called it straight away, and well, the player who made the try-saving tackle moments ago, he is now getting his marching orders as Ramita Himash finds himself on the receiving end of a red card. So Police Sports Club still with the possession. Shot again, says the referee. Now Primesh Danushka, numbers on the blind side. He goes, but a hand comes in and well, decision time yet again, Sabir.
Well, there's I think number 14 in danger. It's going to be a penalty try if I'm not mistaken. We'll see. Referee certainly will have a word because that's deliberate knock on.
Referee says, mate, play your game and let me do my job. Here goes Police Sports Club. Another flag coming out by the touch judge and an advantage. Police on the up. Lairu Tilakaratne, that was just not managing to get over the line. Primesh Danushka was pushed over by Deshan as here goes Police Sports Club, and that's the first Combank vibe try for Police Sports Club. Chatura Dilshan breaks, gives it out. Here goes Samuel Madhuanta to the number 11 for Havelock Sports Club. That was Harusha Pereira, as the referee says, all offside and a penalty advantage coming in favour of Havelock Sports Club. Now Rifan goes to the blind side yet again. Chatura Dilshan takes it and goes. Terrible bit of play there by Surya Dodangoda. But well, the referee is going back for the advantage that he had early on. And he says that for Havelock Sports Club, Samuel Madhuanta from out deep makes no mistake. That's 3 points for Havelock Sports Club, and they open their scorers.
With his educated left foot by Shane Hopwood. Straight away once again into the Havelocks 22.
Get back!
Again Madhuanta could not find touch.
And to add salt to their wounds for Havelock Sports Club, all of their kick chasers were caught in front. So penalty come in the way of Police Sports Club.
What not?
It has had everything, and now Naveen Kanishka adds the 3 points for Police Sports Club. Well, we all thought that that was the final act of this first half. Sandesh Jayavikrama puts it deep. Shane Hopwood receives from Primesh Danushka under pressure. Dummies and clears things off. And that brings this first half to an end. Well, quite the arm wrestle by both teams. One for Havelocks, as they are with 3 points, and Police with 8 points at halftime here at Havelock Park. Welcome back to the Papare TV, as we are just moments away from kicking off this second half here at Havelock Park. The referee seems to be prepared for the kickoff of this second half. And it'll be Hiranta Pereira for Police Sports Club. Kicking things off. Goes down the middle, deep into the 22, into the graceful grasp of Sandesh Jayavikrama as he returns the favour. However, Police Sports Club, they will have a line out inside the opponents. You can see he's still a bit groggy there in the back of play. Now finding his way and goes in for yet another tackle, but misses it. Havelock Sports Club just meters away. Will they get their first try? By the looks of it, they have the first Combank vibe try coming courtesy of their skipper Abdullah Faiz. Azmir Fajuddin and Havelock Sports Club throwing into the line out. Collected and ball set up. Shem that was leaping up highest and collecting that.
Get back, number 2.
Here goes Azmir Fajuddin, and that is their second Combank vibe try for Havelock Sports Club, as they dot down in as many minutes. But by the looks of it, Havelocks have been reduced a man, and Sena Aldilaka has been sent to the bin. For the sighting officer, you could say that he will have some work.
Oh, that's a peach of a conversion. Samuel Madhuanta, a bit of tatters in the first half of first quarter.
Primesh Danushka gives it to Naveen. Throws a massive dummy, goes through the Havelocks defense, bumps off the player.
Oh my
The
word!
final pass does not go his way, but has Primesh Danushka dotted down for a Combank vibe try. The try has been awarded. The Combank vibe try has been awarded, and Primesh Danushka.
Excellent stuff with this conversion, and it's going to be only 2 points deficit.
Yehan Bulat Singhalage makes no mistake.
Time is ticking. We are heading into the final minute of this play according to our clock. What will Havelocks do from here? What can Police do?
Well, Sabir, quite a no-brainer. The number 8 needs to break. Well, in fact, they go to the line. And was it the last play? By the looks of it, it has been the last play, and Havelock Sports Club hold out Police to win by a slender 2-point margin. Havelocks are elated. However, Police will be gutted, as you rightly said, Sabir, moments ago. Let's ponder on that as we have a look at the full-time score confirmation. After an electric first half, the second half, well, Police managed a try to claw back to 15, but it was Fajuddin's try that helped Havelocks secure this game and the win. Havelock Sports Club with 17 points and Police with 15. 2 tries apiece for both teams, but it was that missed conversion that separated the two teams.